Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
When the heroes of the Yaksas saw that all their heads were being thus threatened by Dhruva Maharaj, they could very easily understand their awkward position, and they concluded that they would certainly be defeated. But, as heroes, they lauded the action of Dhruva. This spirit of fighting in a sporting attitude is very significant in this verse. The Yaksas were severely attacked. Dhruva Maharaj was their enemy, but still, upon witnessing the wonderful, heroic acts of Maharaj Dhruva, they were very pleased with him. This straightforward appreciation of an enemy's prowess is a characteristic of real Kshatriya spirit.